pretty familiar with each other. You know, having played on previous teams together with their own club teams in the NHL too. There's a lot of guys who play together there, so I think that goes a long way and helps kind of the whole process of adjusting.
Mike Babcock is at the podium now, guys.
Hey guys.
Babcock. Questions? Just gonna start, guys.
That was good. See you guys tomorrow. Little kid, the center gets to chase the puck all over. That's what he gets to do. Everyone else has to stay in their position, what the coach tells them. But the center just gets to chase it all over. That sounds like fun to me. I don't know. I just made that up. I'm not sure. Gordy was pretty good.
Zone, Franz Nielsen, Gaborik in front, scores! A 2-on-1, and there's a couple of Europeans that do have speed. This is a 2-on, the other way. Leon Draisaitl in front, gets it back and scores! Just when it looked like Patrick Kane might get something for Team USA, it's hit against the puck, centering. Hands into the net, a tip, they score! 3-0 lead for Team.
Usually that's what guys are trying to do, to pass it and get it back. So I was expecting the pass, yeah, and but again, like I said, it was a great play then.
Come on, Sid! Comes off the bench, centering pass, hit the side, and then Crosby scores!
Remember, there is a coach's challenge here, but that one that Neuver didn't see it, and I think you might get a challenge here by the Czech.